morning. A battle over Rhode Island's vaccine mandate for healthcare workers is going to resume in the courtroom.
The state's Firefighters Association arguing that the mandate is unconstitutional. Kayla Fish live in Warwick with more on what we can expect today. Kayla.
Well, Patrick and Danielle, this case is set to resume here at Kent County Courthouse this morning, and the plaintiffs are hoping that the judge makes a decision soon because the state's vaccine mandate for healthcare workers goes into effect just days from now on October 1st. Now, the Rhode Island Firefighters Association is arguing that the mandate is unconstitutional when it comes to religious and medical exemptions. There are many firefighter unions who are plaintiffs in this case, and they're asking the judge to make the rule invalid for firefighters. According to the union's complaint, healthcare services make up about 70% of a firefighter's duties. The president of the Firefighters Association says nearly 93% of his union members are vaccinated, but added that if the roughly 7% remaining were to lose their jobs, it could have a major impact on departments that are already short-staffed.
If you just click the calendar on October 2nd and remove hundreds of firefighters from the rosters, that in itself puts Rhode Islanders in danger to a host of things, not only COVID, but fires, car accidents, hazardous material incidents.
Now, the Department of Health has said it doesn't plan to revoke or suspend licenses immediately, and that the state plans to deal with unvaccinated licensees case by case. Again, the hearing is set to resume this morning right here at Kent County Courthouse. Live in Warwick this morning, I'm Kayla Fish, 12 News.
The deadline for healthcare workers to comply with Rhode Island's vaccine mandate is looming large just days from now on October 1st. In the meantime, a group of unions is arguing that firefighters should be exempt from this rule. Kayla Fish live outside the Kent County Courthouse, where a hearing over this issue set to resume this morning. Kayla.
Well, Patrick, the judge said last week that she needed more information from the plaintiffs in this case at the firefighters unions before making a decision on whether to exempt firefighters from the state's vaccine mandate for healthcare workers. Now, this hearing began last Thursday right here at the Kent County Courthouse. The Rhode Island Firefighters Association and other unions asking for the judge to issue a temporary restraining order making firefighters exempt from this mandate, which they say is unconstitutional. The mandate is set to take effect October 1st, that's this Friday, and the Department of Health has said that it'll deal with unvaccinated licensees case by case. The president of the Firefighters Association tells 12 News that the majority of union members are vaccinated and support vaccines, but they want to work with the Department of Health to come up with a better plan.
I'm not here for just trying to get vaccines to get a pass on it. We're just saying that DOH acted too quickly and they didn't bring the stakeholders in to come up with a piece of public policy that works for all of the duties that you rely on the fire service in Rhode Island to do. That's what this case is about.
Now, this hearing is slated to resume this morning right here at Kent County Courthouse. 12 News will be inside the courtroom and will bring you the latest information both on air and on WPRI.com. Live in Warwick this morning, I'm Kayla Fish, 12 News.